Is something happening with your plumbing? You might be wondering how much this might cost. The thing is, with a professional, yes, it can be a little expensive, but getting it done right is extremely important. You do not want to have to call somebody back a second time. Pioneer Plumbing and Heating Incorporated has been around since 1976. We're a trusted name in the Lower Mainland, and there are lots of people that have been using our services over the years, and they keep on calling us back for a good reason. We do good work. Now, if you own your own home and something's happened, give us a call. You can trust the work that we do. You can call us at 604-872-4946.